on my spooky babes and ghouls. So for today I'll be recreating a vampire Barbie look. I'll put it here on the screen. This is like iconic Halloween vampire collector Barbie doll that came out more than a few years ago. I believe I don't have this one actually. I do have some of the Halloween ones, or at least one of them. I know for sure I have the zombie bride Barbie. Today we're gonna be recreating the vampire beauty Barbie doll. I believe that's what she's called. I don't remember. But she was like one of like the Halloween collector dolls that came out years ago. She's really pretty. She's kind of like Elvira-esque with the hair. Kind of gives off like a Dracula's bride kind of vibe. So I think there's gonna be some simple, easy makeup. Really pretty, beautiful, spooky. Also, I'm wearing some red eye contacts from Cole Eyes. I'll leave a link down below in the description box. That way you guys can check it out with my discount code as well. I'll be filming a whole entire video based on these contacts, reviewing them for you guys. But so far, I love them. My discount code for the contacts is Draven for 20% off, or just Draven for buy 2 get 2 free. But yes, I think these are like the most perfect vampire eye contacts. So of course I already did my face makeup. I applied some white foundation onto my face. I used the LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. I just used it by itself, and of course I used the LA Girl's white concealer as well. I also used the Sunset Makeup white powder to set the foundation. This is like the most perfect goth white powder I've used. Alrighty, so we're gonna be diving into the eyes first. I'm using this Baby Fat Beauty NYX eyeshadow palette. I did have a discount code for this shop, but I don't think it works anymore. It's available anymore. I remember getting email saying that they deleted it. I still have it down below in the description box, so check it, see if it works. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if it's gonna work. But I love this eyeshadow palette, guys. It's so cool. I've been meaning to like review it. I just haven't gotten around to doing it. Unfortunately, it was like broken when it arrived in the mail, and I just never felt like emailing them about it for like a replacement, so just kept it. No big deal. But yes, it's like the most perfect vampire eyeshadow palette. It's got some browns, reds, and some shimmer shades as well. So first I'm diving into the shade Undead. It's kind of like a grayish brownish, like a very cool brown. I'm applying it all along above my crease and blending it out. So next I'm using the same palette again. I'm diving into the shade Immortal, which is black. And I'm applying this one tightly along the crease I want to create, because we're going to be doing a cut crease. So I'm just using like a small blush, slightly blending it, but I also want to keep the line nice and tight. So that way we'll have like a dark crease later on. Next, I'm going to be cutting the crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. You can use concealer, of course. I'm going to be cutting it with a really small brush. Okay, so next I'm diving into the shade Holy Water. It's like a white shimmer eyeshadow. At this point, it kind of has a little bit of red in it from like the pigment of the other shade that broke, but it should be fine. A little bit of red won't kill us. I'm applying that onto the negative space that I created on my eyelid. Okay, so about underneath my eyes, I'm applying the same brown shade Undead that I had applied onto my upper eyelid for the crease. I'm applying that underneath my eyes and blending it out a little bit. Okay, so next I'm doing a wing liner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner. This one is from Weaselwear. It also doubles as a little bat stamp. I'm using it for the wing, of course. And then actually for the inner eye, for the inner wing, I'm using some black eyelash glue. I feel like that stays on better than using eyeliner because my eyes get watery, so it sticks on a lot better. Okay, so next I'm going to be lining the waterline with some eyeliner. Next I'm blending a little bit of eyeshadow underneath the eye just to darken up a little bit. Okay, so next I'm contouring using the Shade on Light eyeshadow quad from KVD Beauty. I'll be diving into the gray. That's usually what I use to contour on a normal basis, honestly. But of course, it'll look good with this vampire look. I'm gonna do like a sharp vampiric contour. doing my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Depop Homemade in Granite. We want some like really sharp, thin, angular brows. That's the look we're going for. I'm using a small angled brush to do my brows, just like always. Okay, so next I'm doing the lips. I'm applying Lime Crime's Blood Mood liquid lipstick onto my lips. I feel like this is like a perfect like dark blood red shade. And then also I'm applying a little bit of clear gloss over it just to make the lips shiny, but I might do that after I get dressed and do my hair. So just let you guys know. This one's actually from a NYX liquid lipstick. I don't know what shade this is. It says On a Mission, so I think that's the shade name, On a Mission. It's like a nice bright red. I like this one. But I'm using the clear gloss for it. I'm using a tiny little brush to kind of get the fine lines on the edges of my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my hair, get dressed, and apply the lashes, of course, and I'll be right to you guys. So that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I really love this makeup, you guys. I love looking like a vampire. Might wear this makeup to the Odysseys Expo this weekend. So yeah, I don't have like an outfit that's close to the Barbie. So I mean, I just improvise. I'm just wearing like my basic Morticia Adams looking dress, Elvira-esque. I love it. And of course I had to add some vampire things. But yeah, ever since that doll came out and I first like laid my eyes on her, I've always wanted something like her. That's like peak beauty right there. The hair was pretty simple. I mean, I've kind of done this hairstyle plenty of times in the past because I've dressed up like Elvira or done like a goth 60s look. But the method that I did this time was a lot easier because I had like a little claw clip that had like a bunch of like hair on it from Shein. So I just clipped it to like the back of my head, like up top basically, and combed over some hair and sprayed it in place, sprayed it down, and then pinned it in the back. And then I got some like lower pieces like from the back here and just braided them and then folded them over basically this big bun and then pinned them in the back as well because the Barbie does have like braids going around the beehive, I guess. Yes, I love it. I feel like a spooky babe. If you guys do recreate this makeup, please make sure you tag me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. I would love to see y'all's recreations. Mostly Instagram's where I'm active, and TikTok as well. Obviously, almost can't forget that one. That's where I'm most active actually. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure to check out all my other videos on my channel. I have a bunch of really cool Halloween makeup tutorials and goth DIYs. That'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!